Today's my subject is astrological analysis of seasons. Actually, my pet subject is eclipses and its impact on natural calamities. Natural calamities means like cyclones, earthquakes, and volcanoes, and floods like that, etc., etc. Since 1977, I am observing eclipses and its impact on natural calamities. So first, I am discussing about cyclones. On 18th April 1977, the solar eclipse occurred. Its impact on November 1977 cyclone, that is Andhra cyclone. And next, 13th March 1979, lunar eclipse occurred. Its impact 12th May 1979, Andhra Divisima cyclone. So by this, I observed that first is a solar eclipse. It is when solar eclipse occurred, when we erect the chart and observe, we get 3 to 9 months it will, cyclone is affected. For lunar eclipse, 3 to 6 months cyclones will affect. According to the planetary positions, we guess either we will get cyclones or earthquakes or volcanoes, whatever it is. Because Varahmira divided the stars into Vayu Mandala, Indra Mandala, Varuna Mandala, Indra, like that. So according to that, we have we must know that which natural calamity will occur. So next, this I have been erected the charts and all, and came to conclusion the impact of the eclipse is definitely on cyclones or whatever natural calamities are there. The nature itself gives alarm or hint beforehand. That's why we must prepare. So anyhow, I want to talk about this later. My subject is only not this now, analysis for seasons only. So I want to talk about the seasons only. Then first point is, whatever we know about the knowledge, it's vidgnane vedaha. Science means what? Science means a systematic study and knowledge of natural or physical phenomena. Any branch of study with observed material facts, that is only the science. But Shastra means Shastras, Shastra Muchyate. Shastra means which dictates. It does not require any proof. It itself is a proof. No need to prove anything. So in this Jyotisha is nothing but it is a time management. Only it is time management. It deals with the time and light. Because Jyoti means light itself. It is a Karadipika, means torchlight. So, but one thing we have to know, we should learn and know, planets, whatever it is, planets are not dictators. It is only indicators. They give only indication, whatever is going on, coming on, like that. So here my main topic is already, again I am deviating the subject. Now it is seasons. According to Varahmihira in Trailokya Samsthana, first sloka, Panchamahabhuta Mayastara Ganapanjare Mahagola. Bhayaskantantaha stoloha ivavastito vrittaha. See, our earth is standing like that only. This world depends on sun. And the Shastra defines that Arogyam Bhaskaradichit. Now also this corona, go and stand in front of the sun like that, because sun is giving only health. And according to Gita, Annad Bhavanti Bhutani Parjanyad Anna Sambhavaha. And according to Bhrugu Samhita, 21 first sloka, Annan Jagataha Prana Pravut Kalasya Charnamayatam Yasmadatah Parikshaha Pravut Kala Prayatnena. Then by these words we must know food is essential to all human beings. From where we get the food? Only by crops. Crops again depends on rains itself. The rains, sun. They, in already lower classes all must know and learn that water cycle from seas, rivers, ponds and all. The water is going up, evaporated by the sun and coming down like that. Water cycle is there. According to that water cycle, we are getting rains. Then, first, according to Rigveda, 1 year is divided into 12 months. We have 4 manas, I think. Chandramana, Sauramana, Nakshatramana, Bharatramana, like that 4 manas. To equalize the Chandramana and Sauramana, one extra month will come, 13th month. Since already sir told, we have 64 1/4 days only per year, for 360 degrees. So whatever it is, extra month will come. If we calculate that, we will know. So that extra month is called Adhika Masa. Then according to Taittiriya Samhita, they are given this sloka, Madhuscha Madhavasya, Sukrascha Sujischa, Nabascha Nabasischa, like that going on. So the Madhu, they are given only 14 names. Please listen. Madhu, Madhava, Sukra, Suchi, Nabhas, Nabhasya, Isha, Urja, Sahas, Sahasya, Tapas, Tapasya. That is 12 names. And again, Samsparsam and Ahaspati. That 12 months are there, and Samsparpam is Adhika Masa, Ahaspati is Kshaya Like that, they given the names. And in Aitaraya Brahmana, in that, they gave only 5 Rutus. Here we got 6 Rutus, each 2 months, 1 Rutu. So, but in Aitaraya Brahmana, they are given only 5 Rutus. They are designed as a bird. So, bird's head is Vasanta Ritu. They are designed like that. Head is Vasanta Ritu. Right shoulder is Grishma Ritu. Left shoulder is Sharad Ritu. Pucham is Varsha Ritu. And middle part is Hemant Ritu. Like that, they designed in Aitaraya Brahmana. And in Shatapada Brahmana, what they told that Ritubirhi Samvatsarha Setnoti Sthatum. Samvatsara place is only the Ritus are Samvatsara place. So they also tells about that Vasanta Ritu, we are getting new neem and mangoes and all, each and everything. Nature is propagating that new year day. So, and this Ritu table, Vasanta Ritu starts from 20th March to 19th May, according to Sayana. And Grishma Ritu, 20th May to 19th July. Varsha Ritu, 20th July to 19th September. To 20th November to 19th January. Sisira is 20th January to 19th March. Like that in Savan Masa. And see how beautifully they given the leaderships or rulership or Adipatya. For Vasanta Ritu, they gave Venus ruler. And the Grishma Ritu, Mars and Ravi. And Varsha Ritu, Moon. And Sharad Ritu, Mercury. And Hemant Ritu, Jupiter. And Sisir Ritu, given Saturn. These are the leaderships given by our sages. Then, how beautiful it is there. You see, once again, I bow down my head to our Sanatana Rishis and our sages' knowledge. For Vasanta Ritu, Venus is Lord, I already told. In this, you all know that Karakatwas, Venus Karakatva, you know, that Venus is Sakala Kala Pariposhaka. So Venus is very correctly they give. And you know, our poets also wrote about Vasanta Ritu. You all know about the Karkatha of Venus and how our poets describe Vasanta Ritu. Next, Grishma Ritu. For Grishma Ritu, Mars and Ravi are the lords. By their rulership, they only know that hotness. The seasons and they are the Agni Tattva Rasi also. That is Mesha and Simha. Simha Rasi lords they are. Next, we are going to Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu ruler is Chandrama. Moon. Moon is the ruler. He is a Jalagraha and he is the lord of Jala Rasi. Means it is Karkataka Rasi. Hence we expect rains. And the next one is, fourth one is Sharad Ritu. Lord is Mercury. And next, fifth is Hemant Ritu. That Lord is Jupiter. See here also again. Jupiter is, it indicates north side, north of our India. And that nearer to the Himalayas. So how it is, Jupiter is winter season. Himam is coming down. So winter season it is. So I think it is Himachal, nearer to Himachal Pradesh also. So last one is Saturn. Saturn is the Lord of the Sisira Ritu. See, Saturn is Moksha Karaka. And this Ritu is last in order. The Sir Ritu is last order. And Saturn is the last planet. Our life also last. Jera it is. So trees also indicating that trees leaves are falling down. So this is ending of the point like that last Ritu. See how they interlinked each and every point. In my research article, I discussed about seasons and Navanayakas. Navanayakas I discussed. And I have taken up for seasons for past nearly 40-50 years. Seasons I calculated the Navagrahas and for those years and erect each month's chart and each kundalis I erected and discussed. I wrote, but I only bad luck is I know only Telugu language. And it is difficult to discuss in other languages for me. So, so then we know about that, our ancient knowledge in our country as popular from Vedas time. I found in my research while examining Rutu's arrival is changed.